my name is Marlena Martin and I am part of the Hōtaka He Korowai Akonga and I'm studying my Bachelor of Teaching degree in Rotorua. I felt called to apply for this scholarship. I resonated with Māori, Mātauranga, te reo me o ngā tikanga being a key part of who Boy Mangu was and the amount of mahi he did in that space to help not only co-found this establishment, Te Wānanga o Te Aroa, but also I felt his values, I aligned with them in that respect, and so that's why I applied. This scholarship allows me to be afforded the mātauranga of doing my He Korowai Akonga degree. I'm a third year tauira. I've worked really hard to get to this point, and as I mentioned, it has not been easy, and so this taonga helps me to achieve that, but also set into motion plans towards making future studies in my masters possible for my whānau.